is like a little teaser. 33 degrees, plenty of clouds now moving through. Wind chill at about 25. So the winds are picking up ever so slightly, so you'll feel a little bit of bite in the air. As far as snowfall amounts so far this December, we're at a deficit by an inch. So we are due, but we're not expected to get any snow right now in Central Park, for instance, but further north and west you go, greater chance. We're still at a deficit by almost 8 degrees as far as temperatures are concerned. Here is a look at our satellite and radar. And as you can see, a few flakes moving through. It looks, like it is coming in abundance, but really not making it to the surface. Again, the air is dry. Once the air becomes a little bit more saturated and moisture fills the air, it'll allow for those flakes to fly and make it to the surface. There is that area of low pressure. This is part of that Clipper system that we talked about. We have a series of them coming through the area. It is a little bit of a teaser, as I mentioned, because we're not expecting much in the way of accumulations, but it is still enough to really cause some slippery conditions. So be sure to keep it nice and slow as you make your way out. Whether you're walking, biking, driving, really doesn't matter. This is what it looks like at around the 3 o'clock hour. So more coverage across parts of the Hudson Valley, more like sprinkles across areas like the Bronx, northeastern New Jersey. And then as it continues to advance further east, again, this is like light stuff happening here. Maybe 1/10 of an inch of rain when all is said and done north and west of the city. Light accumulations, as I mentioned, then we clear out and then a big drop in temperatures to follow. These are forecasted snowfall amounts, mainly rain, 1 to 2 inches north and west, especially higher elevations, and of course up to a few inches possible further interior places like Sullivan County, even Pike County, parts of Ulster County where the winter weather advisory is in place. We're in the 30s right now. Pair of three is pretty much almost unanimous with the exception of Fort Lee and Staten Island. Winds a little bit breezy. This is what it looks like afternoon, so get a jump start on that commute. Temperatures overnight will be in the 30s. Once that cold front passes through, though, it's going to allow for those temperatures to take a dive. Here's a look at your 7-day outlook. And remember, by tomorrow morning, we're talking about some really significant wind chills, temperatures taking a dive throughout the day. And we're tracking the potential for some light snow over the weekend. Looks like some of it trending more south on Sunday, giving us a nice cold start to Hanukkah. We'll send it over to Alexa.